Hey guys! So for those of you that don't know Letterland, so that would be my kindergartners or a couple first graders that are new to Letterland, basically each letter is a character and each character has a certain motion that goes with it. So I'm going to go over those today. So feel free to learn this. Like you could watch the video over and over and over so that you know those sounds and the motions. All right, so let's get to it. Starting with A. This is Annie Apple, and Annie Apple says ah. B. Bouncy Ben says b. C. Clever Cat says k. D. Dippy Duck says d. E. Eddie Elephant says eh. F. Firefighter Fred says f. G. Golden Girl says g. H. Harry Hatman says h. I. Impy Ink says I. J. Jumping Jim says j, like he's juggling. K. Kicking King says k. L. Lucy Lamplight says ooh. M. Munching Mike says mmm. N. Noisy Nick says O. Oscar Orange says ah. P. Peter Puppy says p. Q. Quarrelsome Queen says qu. R. Red Robot says rrr. S. Sammy Snake says s. T. Talking Tess says t. U. Uppy Umbrella says V. Vicky Violet says v. W. Walter Walrus says woo. X. Fix-It Max says x. Y. Yellow Yo-Yo Man says y. And Z. Zigzag Zebra says z.